What's up? So today we're going to be cleaning our brushes. They are all dirty. So we're going to get right into this. Let's go ahead and do this. Okay, you want to get you a cup or a bowl, anything that's, sit up so you can put the brushes in there. Anything that's not going to put the brushes all the way in there. So I usually put me warm water. You can put whatever water that you prefer. Okay, I'm just trying to make sure that it's all stirred up. Now that we got our water and everything, we're going to go ahead and put our brushes in there. And like I was saying, we're going to let it sit 20 minutes. And then we're going to come back and we're going to rinse it and all that. Stay tuned. And I actually put too much water than I intended to. But we're going to make it do what it do. So I'm going to put as many as I can put in there. And I end up having to use 3 of these little cases. They really like containers to put your rice or sugar or something like that. But anywho, we're going to use what we got. So all I'm going to do is just repeat the steps and fill my other 2 up. And yeah. Y'all know they got to be dirty. See, the water done started to change already. And they ain't even been sitting that long. They probably in that thing saying, yes, yes, thank you. Okay, so like I was saying, we was gonna come back in 20 minutes, and this is the how it came out. So let's go ahead and clean these. Okay, so as you rinse them out and you get all the extra makeup that been left in the brush and stuff, you want to make sure that you are getting all the water out and shaping it to how you want them to dry. Make sure you have no little sticky things sticking out and all of that. Okay, so this is the end product. We're going to let these dry. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.